Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again, and it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together. And I also use it as an opportunity to give you trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time, browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal practice before you start trying it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame on and I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, so this started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it came to an end around this support zone. So the market went into an uptrend right from here, and it started buying. That is why we are having this yellow flag and the blue arrows. Okay, and it is still on uptrend, so we are still having more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So boom 1000 is giving us more of a buying opportunity. And of course, let's go straight to boom 500. This is boom 500. It has been on uptrend right from this support zone also. That is why we are seeing this yellow flag and the blue arrows. Okay, it got to this resistance zone but was unable to break out above it, so it pulled back a bit and went back there. Okay, and still unable to break out above it. So if it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying, not until we get the right signal for a downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the above the resistance zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. So this is crash 1000. It has been on downtrend for a while. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it had a little pullback, and it will be trying it out again to see if it will be able to break out above this resistance zone. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it went straight till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from here. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset we'll be looking at is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, and it is still selling at the moment, even though it is very close to this support zone, but it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Once it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it's unable to break out below it, it will go back into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis, apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.